Wish Upon a Star 30 by 43 cm rounds by Cherriuki version 1 special treatment starts with electric diamonds that we have placed on the moon as well as on the stars, and you can also randomly scatter them as specks in the sky. So this is for version 1 of Wish Upon a Star by Cherriuki. Wish Upon a Star version 2 special treatment. This is a painting by Cherriuki. Now adds morganite to the ribbon on the girl's hair, as well as to the clothes of the bunnies around her and also on her dress. So sprinkle it in those areas. And then we've also added snow pearls that are sprinkled on the white curtains. Wish Upon a Star by Cherriuki in 30 by 43 cm rounds, special treatment version 3, now adds star gems that you will place in the sky. So simply choose where on the painting you would like to place your star gems. And over here, we've placed one over here, another one over here, and two over here. So this is where the fun part of special treatments really go, which is giving you the freedom to place your special beads on areas that you would like to highlight. And so this would be version 3 for Wish Upon a Star special treatment.